we're going to take some of these beautiful sequin egg ornaments from the Dollar Tree and make a really fun, whimsical egg like chandelier. To do that, we're going to use the little wood rings from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to need both sizes. And then I tried to find some really skinny ribbon. This is like a bright pink. I thought this would be fun for Easter. I'm going to simply tie this around one of the longer ones here. And I'm going to double tie that so it is nice and sturdy. Then I took the ornament and cut the string in half for the ornament. I'm going to use that to attach this to the ribbon. I do want to measure though, so I know exactly where to put it. So what I'm going to do is tie it into a knot right where I want the length to be. You can make it whatever size you want. And I just knotted my ribbon. Then I took the ribbon from the original hanger and tied that. The knot on the bottom of the ribbon keeps it from falling off like that. And instead of just cutting that ribbon off from the ornament, I'm going to use it to make a little bow. I just took both pieces and hot glued them together in the center, and that created a fun little bow on there for that pink sequin egg. So we're going to repeat the process here. I just tie the knot the exact same length, and I'm going to do like different levels to make it look like a little chandelier. I think this is going to be really fun for like an Easter party or something festive like that. I'm going to show you how I hung mine. I hung mine from my chandelier above my kitchen table, and it turned out so cute. So I'm trying to alternate colors. I did a pink, a blue, and an orange. And you don't really have to space out right now where you're putting them on the ring, because the ribbon, you're knotting it on there. You can always kind of move that from side to side. I'm trying to get as many colors as I can on this row. So I've got the pink, the blue, the orange, the purple, the green, and the yellow. Now for the smaller wood ring from the Dollar Tree, I'm going to do the same thing. We're going to have another row, and I'm going to have these be hanging lower than the ones before. So again, I am measuring and tying these off and tying the ornaments on there. Just using the existing hangers on the little sequin eggs made this so much easier. And as you can see, I am leaving all the excess string on the other side of the ribbon. That way I can use that to tie the entire thing together. So for this one, I did the purple, the pink, the blue, and the green sequins. Now for the larger ring, we're going to have that hang at the very top. That's going to be the top of my chandelier. So I took all the excess ribbon, gathered that all together at the top to create a hanger like this. And then I'm just going to take all that ribbon and knot it off so it's all knotted together now. So that can be the hanger, and I tied it so there's actually even like a hook there at the top. Then I took the bottom ring, the smaller one, and I took all of the excess ribbon from that one and use that to tie that to the larger ring, so that will hang down below. I want it to hang down just a little bit lower so it kind of cascades down into a chandelier. And then I took one of my extra eggs and tied that ribbon directly to my chandelier so it would go even a little bit lower. I think this is really whimsical and fun for an Easter party. What do you guys think about this one?